going to learn how to do the lace cluster stitch. It's just a 2-row repeat. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this. You can use any weight yarn you want, any size hook. For this project, I happen to be using a 24/7 cotton medium 4-weight yarn and a G 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. But it's you're just learning the stitch, so the yarn size and the hook is not a big factor. That's just up to you what project you want to use this for. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start off, you will need a multiple of 6. So I'm going to chain 12 for mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now you will need to add 2 at the end here. And then you'll need to add 3 for your turning chain, for your foundation chain rather. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for row 1, we're going to work 1 double crochet, a chain 2, and 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in that same chain. So now we're going to skip the next 2 chains, and in the 3rd chain we're going to do a half double crochet cluster, and you're going to do this like this: yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You're going to do it 4 times. That was 1. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. That's 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. That's 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull 3. That's 4 times. You should have 9 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn over, pull through all 9 loops, chain 1 to close it. Okay, skip the next 2 chains and work another V-stitch. That's 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. There we are so far. Okay, so now we're going to work another half double crochet cluster. So skip the next 2 chains in the 3rd chain. Going to do this: yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook, and pull through. You should have 9 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 9 loops, and then chain 1. So now we're going to work another V-stitch. So skip the next 2 chains, and in the 3rd chain work a double crochet, chain 2, work another double crochet, and in this last stitch work 1 double crochet. Okay, so that was row 1. So for row 2, you're going to chain 3. Row 2, you chain 3. Okay, so now you are going to, in this chain 2 space, you're going to work a half double crochet cluster. So skip this double crochet, skip this double crochet, and right here in this chain 2, you're going to work a half double crochet cluster. So remember, you got to go pull up 4 times. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull your hook all the way through, and chain 1. Now on the top of this half double crochet cluster, you're going to make a V-stitch. So that's a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Okay, now you're going to skip this double crochet, and in this chain 2 space, you're going to make a half double crochet cluster. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, and chain 1. Now in this half double crochet cluster, I'm going to make a V-stitch. So yeah, it's a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. Here we go. Now in the next chain 2 space, make a half double crochet cluster. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, go through all the loops, and chain 1. And in the top of that turning chain, you're going to make a double crochet. Just like that. So here's what you've got so far. That's rows 1 and 2. So 2 and 3 are going to be your repeat rows. So let's chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. And in the top of this cluster, you're going to make a V-stitch. So it's a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. In this chain 2 space, going to make a half double crochet cluster. So you got to do it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all loops, and chain 1. Top of this half double crochet cluster, you're going to make a V-stitch. So it's double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Top of the V-stitch, make a half double crochet cluster. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now pull through all the loops and chain 1. On top of this cluster, make a V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. And on top of that chain 3, you're going to make a double crochet. And that's your repeat right there, rows 2 and 3. Okay, that's it. You can do it. This is the lace cluster. All right, guys, I hope this helps you learn to crochet. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.